My name is Rahina. I'm welcoming you all to the official red carpet of Abaya at 10. We're going to take this red carpet and dive into the hall for the official event. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
Welcome to the official celebration of Abaya 10 years anniversary.
Thank you very much.
So, Mom, do you mind telling us your name and how you feel to be here today?
Great. My name is Dr. Amina Aminu Dorei, and I really feel excited to be here today because it really means a lot to me personally. I was one of the first people to buy stuff from Hauwa. She's a very wonderful human being and she's focused. She's really a good example of a woman that is, in tune with reality. She supports other women as well and the younger generation. So I'm really excited to be here and I'm looking forward to having a wonderful time.
Masha Allah, Ma'am. Thank you so much for coming. On behalf of Abaya, we're saying thank you for making our time to come. Thank you, Ma'am. To 10 years anniversary of Abaya. Do you mind telling us your names?
My name is Hafsat Kabir.
My name is Rabi Abdu Ali.
So please, how do you feel to be here today, celebrating with us?
Well, it's a wonderful feeling. We're so delighted to be here. Hauwa is a childhood friend and it's no wonder that she's at this level. Yes, she's a very determined person, very focused. She's a doer and an achiever.
She's a doer and an achiever. Makes sense. Ma'am.
Hello.
Please, do you mind telling us how you feel to be here today?
I feel excited, honestly. Hauwa is an artist, honestly. She's doing very well and it's okay. We're all happy to be here.
So literally, you all are not surprised how far she has come, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Secondary school mates. Yeah, we've been with her since FGC Bakori.
Masha Allah. Masha Allah.
Came to celebrate with her. Yeah.
We are super delighted to have you here today. Thank you for making our time to come. Thank you so much. Thank you.